Welcome back, everybody, to the RC Guru YouTube channel. Today we have our VS410 Pro. As you can see, it has a Holmes Hobby ProMaster Pro or Expert hand wound FXR full Pro VS410 metal axles. No brass, F9s, I think they're called. Stainless steel links. And it has Proline flat irons with 3D inserts. So we're going to try them out on the wood pile and see how they do. It is a 3D printed body. I'll show you in a minute. Alright guys, as you see, it's the 87 extra cab. I 3D printed this body. It has a full interior, seats, etc. It's pinched and bobbed. Front and rear with the spiker on the front. Toyota on the rear. Vanquish wheels, no brass. Let's see how it does. Alright everybody, let's see what the 3D printed VS410 Pro. You see I run it a bunch before. I know what it runs. It's got 3D printed inserts with a Proline flat irons. So I'm expecting to have a lot of conform. They're one of my favorite tires. Let's see what this thing does. Found the ramp again. Disappeared, but it came back. Remember, this is brushed. Holmes Hobby. Look at that back tire. Fall in the front. Can't be brushed. Oh my goodness. It's still so good. Let's get in for a tighter shot. Alright, tight view, nice and slow. Brush power. Sneak our way up here. These flat irons are my favorite. They get a bad rep because the foams are shit. Maybe we do a little bump. See that compression on the back there? See that? Let's see if we can't get over there. Big incline here. Super warm today. Everything's dry. Back tires hitting on that flat. Oh, works better than the crawlers in the mud drain. No brass on this rig. Let's see if we can turn towards the pallet and make a change. Sometimes you can hit the pallet and it'll pull you up. Okay, let's try the other way. Okay, it's telling us what it wants to do. It wants to go over this way. A little bump with the brush. Gotta be careful to see the flat tire or the front tire. See that? Here's where you gotta be super careful. You're tiptoeing. You're hoping your tire inserts. See that? Do the work for you. You gotta get over. Oh, we're down real far. Okay, no, good, good, good. Come on.
Look, it's almost flat now. You drive straight up. Oh, we don't fall off. We're just spinning it. Finally made it. There we go. Now back down for the descent. Alright, let's try the descent on these flat irons. 3D printed inserts. Zero brass. Look at the fire tire on the flat piece of wood. Conforms right to it. Brush motor. Want to keep them back tires in a good area. Fall in the fronts. There you go. Pick your line. You got straight axles, you gotta pick your line. Can't cheat like Bortles. Look at that stinger. Yeah, that's reality. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. We figured out the limitations. You need some brass. Keep your ass on the grass. Here we are. Here we are in the dirt section of the testing for the flat irons. No brass. Tekin FXR, Homes Hobby, 13 Terran, Expert, hand wound, brushed motor. Look at that control. It's modulated percentage more. Look at that. Right in the hole. Oh! Look at that. Can he get himself back out? I see the winch is all messed up in the front. That fake winch. All messed up. No, I heard it fall off. Just got in a bad spot. Come on. Well, if we just reset it even more, it comes out no problem. There we go. Like and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.